Welcome back to another episode of Feeling Great. Today's guest is Preeti, a young working professional who is managing her deadlines, stress, responsibilities, and still got onto her 10 kg transformation. You know what's even better? It's not just her. Even her mother is on this protocol. This is completely family wellness moment. Let's meet her, hear her story, who is feeling great.
Welcome, everyone, to a brand new episode of Feeling Great With. And today, we've got a very special guest joining us.
Hi Preeti, how are you?
Hi Jaitri, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you so much for coming onto the show.
Thanks for inviting.
You're welcome. So, firstly, before we get into the main gist of the video and speak about how this product helped you, firstly, I want to know who is Preeti, what is Preeti, where is she coming from, and what is your lifestyle generally like?
Yeah, sure. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a software engineer by profession, and like people know, right, how software engineers would look like. Like our time would be like on deadlines, and we will work every day at least 10 hours, and we it is pretty stressful life. And during the weekends, I'll just chill out, like come
need
out
a
of
break.
that stress. Yeah, so it's like that, balancing things here and there. So that's how it is going.
So, you coming from a IT professional background and with all the deadlines and stress and all of that, it is little difficult to get onto a proper health routine and all of that.
Yeah, that's a very big challenge. Very big challenge.
So how did you face any health challenges before getting onto the protocol?
Yeah, like see, just to maintain my health, I used to try like dry fruits, fruit juices, and a little bit extra like cycling at home. And also, I used to have just the home cooked meals, nothing outside. But still, I never saw a difference in my inches or weight, or I didn't get that desirable change in my life. So, in reverse, during COVID, it went in reverse actually. I had put on a lot of weight because of that stressful hours, long hours of working, and sedentary lifestyle. So because of that, it became a huge challenge for me to reduce even 1 2 kilos of weight. So that's where I found feel great. Then the first thing I was shocked is my mother quit her medication
Okay.
just within a month.
Okay.
I didn't even have any clue about the feel great. We just started it, and we went to a doctor checkup, and he was like, "Okay, you don't need any medication now." It was more than 15 years medication actually. So within less
What
than a month,
medication was she
it's
using
asthma.
for? Okay.
Yeah, so we set our mind like this is lifetime medicine. And you know, right, how our mothers, how much we are connected, and seeing them struggling, it's really a big challenge. So when we went to the doctor, he said, we don't need any medication. You are super fit now. You can roam around. You can eat whatever. So we were like, wow, this is really amazing. So then I found actually what is there inside this and what exactly it is. So I came here and I understood about this. And the second thing that surprised me is that fruit freedom. That is really amazing. So I was initially I was really skeptical. How can we eat whatever we like and still have that ideal weight? That really shook my mind. Then I thought, okay, let's give it a try for a month. After a month, I really felt light, and that work pressure also I could manage in a better way. Then I really slowly, day by day, I see a lot of changes in me. So even my mindset, everything changed. The situation that I'm facing right now, so given a particular situation, I managed it really well when I compare it to before Feel Great. So like that, I saw multiple changes, and life has become really easy.
Yeah.
Then I felt like, why only 1 month? Let's do it another month. In the second month, I saw like little bit changes like inches wise. I felt really lighter, and it really life became easy. Then I thought like, okay, let's give it a try for 3 months, and then afterwards I didn't saw back, and it's been 2 years for now.
2 years, long
Yes,
way.
yes.
That's-
I never thought I will have such kind of practice in my life for 2 years.
That's crazy. So one thing that's stuck in my mind is during COVID, it is really difficult to get onto a routine because we are stuck at home.
Yes.
We're not supposed to go out. There's no physical activity.
Yeah.
Like you said, you go out for a break in the weekends, and you don't get to do that as well in the
Exactly, yeah.
COVID. So and it's like a routine cycle at home. You just
Yeah.
eat, work, and sleep.
Exactly.
That's where you get more stressful, and there's no physical activity, no mind relief works, and all of that. That's
Yeah.
really backed up your thing.
Yeah.
So it's really nice to know about your journey. So how long did you use, and after that your mother started? Did you both use at the
My
same
mother,
time?
no, my mother started first.
Okay.
And seeing her quit her medication, I started.
Okay.
The first thing even before the food freedom is they said it will work for the stress also. That see, stress is something which we cannot calculate.
Yeah.
It's a personal experience. So how can people say that this particular drink or this particular practice will help you reduce your stress or manage your stress? So that is also a very interesting topic in Feel Great. So that's where I was inspired. Okay, we have both stress and of course food. So I thought let's give it a try. We have done so many trials in life.
Yeah.
So why not this?
Yeah.
Let's give it a trial for a month, and then it continued.
Okay, so before you started Feel Great, did you try any other products or protocols or routines that changed your mind or something like before Feel Great? What was your routine before?
So I just heard about a few protocols kind of like like which will give us nutrition add-ons, not something which will help us absorb the nutrients even better. So this is the difference between the other products that I heard and the Feel Great. So I thought like, see, if we consider the other products, somewhere or the other we have to maintain water intake, and also we need to take care of diets and workouts. So these are the things common. So I felt like there is nothing much difference if we even consider those products. So I thought like, okay, that is not it's not adding any value in our life. Instead we have to like we have to maintain a routine for that. So it was not interesting for me.
It was not suitable for your lifestyle.
Yeah,
as well.
exactly. Even if I can maintain my diet, if I can exercise regularly, and if I can maintain my sleep cycle and water intake, then why do I need the product at the first place?
Yeah.
Right.
Point.
So I was not interested in those. So then I used to try home cooked meals, thinking that see, home cooked is something we feel like that has all the nutritions, all the things that
It's a
we
myth.
want. Yeah, exactly. So that thing I understood after coming to Feel Great. But previously I thought, okay, I am eating home cooked meal. That means it is the highest nutritious food ever. And I generally never used to opt for outside food. And because it's COVID also, so that's why I didn't opt. And so general things like dry fruits, fruit juices. Fruit juices is again a myth, very big myth. Even now people consider it's a healthy thing, but see
That's the highest sugary
exactly that
thing
will
you can
just
take.
shoot up the sugar levels directly. So I didn't knew all this. I felt like, okay, we can't eat 2 pomegranates, let's make it a juice out of it and just drink it. So I was in that perception, so thinking it was healthy, but I ruined my health in a reverse way.
Got it.
So it was like that, and all of these mistakes also added up in my goal. That's why I
Okay.
couldn't reach, and in reverse I have gained weight
Okay.
instead of losing.
How much do you were you weighing before using the Feel Great?
Like 65 to 70.
Okay.
Now I am 55.
Oh, crazy. 2 years of your journey and all.
Yes.
Crazy. So, what is those main things that you've tried a lot of routines before and all of that, and then you've seen change in your mother, and then you started Feel Great. What is those main things that made you stuck with Feel Great since so long and still going up forward?
See, first thing I would say, it's not about the product. It gives us immense space. First thing is you can eat whatever you want. That really, I don't know how people consider this, but that is really a very big piece of peaceful actually.
Yeah.
It's like you can have whatever, you can go wherever. You see, obviously we will not have a same kind of routine every single day, right? We will go somewhere else, we will meet people. So given in this kind of routine, whatever we are having, if we are following some diet, we will definitely think if this has protein or not, if this has good fat or not. So I don't have that kind of calculation. Even the calorie, what do you say, that calorie deficient. So all of these things I don't have. So I can eat whatever I have, I like. So that's the biggest peaceful thing I have. Second thing is definitely the mental stress.
Okay.
So that is really big thing that I have seen in the Feel Great. So these are the two main things that because of which I'm following the Feel Great practice for so long time.
Okay. So, please let me know, what is your food lifestyle? Like, how do you eat? What do you eat before and after Feel Great?
Okay, so I love sweets a
Okay.
lot,
Okay.
and that's the main reason why I have like gained so much weight
Okay.
during lockdown, and also like my sister got married during the lockdown and all during that period. So I had a lot of sweets. It's all celebration time, right? So I enjoyed it a lot. So I love sweets, first thing, and yeah, like non-veg, everything I will have. So I'm a foodie. I don't like restricting anything. So I would like to give it a try for everything, different kind of cuisines, everything I love to try. See, not just about the food, but my perception to life is like I don't want restriction in any area. So if you have restriction, I feel like you will definitely think of mysterious things. You will definitely want to cross that line.
Yeah.
But if you have freedom, you will automatically just meet that deadline. You will be in limits, is what I feel. So I don't like restricting anything in my life. So that's where even that is applicable even in food also. So I like to try different cuisines, different kind of spicy foods, sweets, everything. So that's where I got attracted to Feel Great.
Crazy. It's a very sweet person she is. Okay. So, coming from a IT professional background, a lot of people think that we don't get to take out time to have a healthy lifestyle.
Yes,
We're
that's
always working. There's day and night. Even though you guys have log in, log out, still you're with laptop everywhere.
Yeah.
You have not sent this mail. This is not approved.
Yes.
Deadline, stress, and all of that. So a lot of people think that's in their head, that we
Yes.
don't get time to go to the gym or prepare proper meals and have and all of that.
Yeah.
So coming from that background, how did you maintain a healthy lifestyle and lose this much weight?
So basically, after a given amount of time in IT, it becomes your personal life. Basically, it's not a profession anymore. So you will have to deal with the client, you will have to meet the deadlines, you will have to lead your team. So you will have to maintain the quality, and that's the biggest thing ever. So in that chaos, giving some time to ourselves. Basically, in this generation, people think not giving time to themselves is a very good thing. If you are considering yourself, like if you are eating a particular diet at particular times, see, for example, if we have a deadline by 3 o'clock today, okay, so we will definitely like generally go to lunch around 1. So we are not meeting the timeline. Example is that, okay. So if you go to lunch by 1 o'clock, people think you are not serious about your profession, right? You have to sacrifice that lunch, even though you will take just 20 minutes of time. But still, that is how the society is like that.
Pressure.
You should be selfless in your profession. So in that case, maintaining a health See, you have to prepare your own food. You have to take time like 1 to 2 hours in gym. That's a really big challenge. It's a challenge. I don't think anybody could meet all of these things. See, going to gym alone will not help you. Going to like just following some diet will not help you. You will have all the things. It should be a holistic approach. So this will definitely like it will definitely demand a lot of time and effort from you.
Yeah.
After doing your professional work, after logging out, you feel like I need some time, I will not do anything. This is the mindset we will land up after we log out. So
No
that's the
cooking,
thing.
no workout, just
nothing.
get into bed and sleep.
Exactly. Have some tasty food because our emotions will be like a roller coaster ride. So obviously we feel like okay, but now I have worked so much and now I will have some treat for myself and then sleep. This is the perception many of the people will have. So in this situation, going to kitchen, taking protein, fiber, good fat, and all of that, maintaining your diet, people will become frustrated like crazy. I don't think anyone would do this.
Either your job will crash or your mental health will
Exactly.
crash. Something or other will definitely
Definitely
crash.
going to crash. Yeah, there is I don't even see people managing all the things at 100%.
Yeah.
So, if you consider feel great in this scenario, your health, your personal time will be reduced like crazy. You will not be able to, you don't need to think about your food. Every day morning, you will wake up. To get that instant energy, you will have Unimatic.
Yeah.
Life really becomes easy. You don't need to worry about, see, if I wake up at 7 o'clock, by 9 o'clock, I need to eat something. Otherwise, it will definitely give you some of the other effects in long run.
Yeah.
So instead of that, by 9 o'clock, if you have your Unimatic, then how much it is giving you benefit. That is a very major thing.
Yeah.
See, if you want to cook breakfast, by 9 o'clock you will cook it, you will have it. And how about your travel? You need to go to office, you need to present there, you need to be you should be prepared for the day. So all of these things are really challenging. It's many people are doing it, but it doesn't make it easy, right?
Yeah. There's a lot of struggle and all.
Yeah, we need to think about the insulin spikes, glucose spikes. Getting up early in the morning and we need to think about all of that I don't think it is practical. So that's how it will, it is practical. Field Guide protocol is a very practical way. Morning you will just wake up, you will have your Unimatic, and afternoon whatever you want you can eat. And dinner also same. In between also, when you feel like okay, this is going too much, I can't work anymore. So that time also you will feel that inner strength because of this practice, right? So that will not happen if you go without feel great. You will definitely have multiple coffees, multiple teas, you will have multiple breaks. You cannot just work like that straight 8 hours.
Got it.
Yeah, so that mental things, we cannot calculate that.
Yeah.
See, if you are physically unwell, people can understand. But if you are mentally unwell, it's really hard to
No
catch.
one will get that.
Yeah, and even ourselves, we can't get it. When we have that strength, only then we will understand. If we don't have that strength, we will definitely not understand, and we will just go on and have junk food, what not, and we have lot of options out there. So obviously, it's a difficult, and I don't think anyone could cope up till that level.
And a lot of 9 to 5 job people consume a lot of teas and coffees and all of that because of stress.
Yeah.
You get into a very chaotic or stressful meeting. You come out of it and you're like, I need to get a coffee, I need
Yes.
to get a tea and all
Yes.
of that. And do you think your number of coffees or number of teas or in between snacking, all of this is Unimate is a replacement for all of this?
Yes, of course. Previously, I used to have snacks. For sure, I used to have snacks and tea in the evening. Otherwise, I can't function the rest of the day till dinner. But now I don't even remember. We need to have something during this 4 to 5 p.m. chai break and all of that is really eliminated from my mind itself. That's fine. If you have that energy between your meals, that is the biggest thing you can ever achieve. Really, I before Feel Great, I never got that. For sure, I used to have snacks, tea, biscuit, chai, samosa, whatever. We have like so many options out
Yeah.
there. You can go somewhere other state also. You can go some other country also. You will find a lot of food options, right? Even if it is vegetarian or non-vegetarian. So it's very easy to get tempted. It's very easy to just opt for it and have it, and then feel guilty about it. Array, I had another samosa or whatever.
Yeah.
And now it is not helping me in losing my weight or maintaining health.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like that. But previously, I used to have a lot of food. Yeah.
So how did so this Feel Great protocol has two products. One is Unimate and one is Balance. So how did these two products help you health wise, personally, and all? Like, tell me some key things that Unimate helped you in, and key things that Balance helped you in gaining your mental stress and your weight loss and all of that.
Yeah. So I'll first start with Unimante. I have an example for that. Great example. So we had one client who was like, he has like lot of expectations on us. So someday they were like, okay, we had certain amount of like certain expectation, and you guys are not meeting it. So we had a like misunderstanding there. So they had catched up, and they had set up a call, which was in just half an hour. Okay, I had no clue what that call is about, and I am the one who is presenting in that call. Okay, and all the leadership from client and our side. So I am the one who needs to speak about the problem right there, and what is the solution or options that we can offer to them. And we just had 30 minutes. That time, obviously anybody will feel so much pressurized and stressful, right? So I was like, okay, let's have Unimate first. Okay, I took 5 minutes break. It's absolutely easy to prepare, right? So I just had it. I went for a walk, 5 minutes, then came up to my desk. I prepared the presentation, and I rocked it really.
Crazy.
I rocked it, and the client was like, okay, that was not a big problem. We felt it was a problem. So that many options I came up with, and they were super satisfied, and it went like cool. It was actually escalated before because of that meeting, how I dealt with in that meeting. It went like it was not at all an escalation, it was just a discussion.
Okay.
So that's how Unimate helped me.
So what pushed you when you consumed the product? What happened in you when you consumed Unimate before the meeting?
I get like a good amount of energy 1st. Okay, and then of course we will get a nice thoughts. We will not be scared. See, that kind of negative emotions will be definitely be dropping, and I got the positive emotions kicked in. I felt like, okay, this we just have 25 minutes. We can do this. So my brain was working like crazy. So that for that credit I can definitely give to Unimate, because before Feel Great I don't have any such scenarios or examples where my brain worked 100% and it killed the meetings. So this is the great example I have for Unimate. And coming to Balance, Balance is a peaceful product, I would say, because it will let you whatever you want, right? So that is a very big advantage is what I feel. We will not have glucose spikes, insulin spikes, and also the majority of people are missing that fiber is the main ingredient that needs to be in our diets. So, and obviously it tastes amazing. Yeah. So yeah, that gives me a lot of peace. I don't need to worry about what I'm having. Doesn't mean that I will have junk all the time, but even if you have some home cooked meals also, definitely I was not getting any result, but now I'm getting. So that means Balance is playing a very important role. Yeah, so that helped me a lot in balancing my diets.
So when you and your mother are under the protocol, right? So your mother has a different lifestyle, you have a different lifestyle and all of that, and both of you are taking the protocol at the same time. So I want to know the difference. How was it earlier and how is it right now? Because I've seen a lot of mother-daughter combinations in fun, at homework, home works, and a lot of other things and all. But mom and daughter vibing in health is a completely different thing.
Yeah.
So, what difference that you both have seen equally in this protocol?
So I think my mother would say the same thing. So the greatest thing that we have achieved is quitting her medications. So that was a really happy thing for us because it was a long medication. It was for 70 to 20 years. So it was almost like they have set our mind to like this medication will be there till the end of life, and we felt like, see, if we are going somewhere out, we used to think by this time we need to come back home because we can't roam around because she can't stay in other places also because she has to take her medication. So we can't carry those medications and all to all the places that we go, right?
Yeah.
So that was a challenge. Like when we go out, suddenly we can't change the plans. We have to definitely come back home. And also, given that this temperature, this one also I wanted to share. So this year, because of the cold wave, right? Even I think roughly around 10 tens is there. Temperature is around 10, between 10 to 20. This was the first time, I believe, since my childhood at
Yeah.
least. Yeah. So basically, even I was not comfortable in cool temperatures.
Okay.
So when we plan to go out in such temperatures, we used to plan like if it is winter, we used to plan by 6 or 7 we should come back home, and having cold shower is never a plan of our is never in our plan. So it was like that. But now we can just roam around. We can just go wherever we want. We have that stamina. We have that strength. We are enjoying like crazy. We go out for shopping. We go out for dinner. We go out to different my relatives' places. We can just be wherever we want. We can have sudden plans. We don't need to worry about the medication. We don't need to worry about the diets, or we don't need to worry about like, oh, I didn't walk 10k steps today, or I didn't hit the gym today. So it's practical. So life has really become easy for both of us, and it's really celebrated. It's I don't know if only if people can experience this will understand this, but it's amazing, to be honest.
It's lovely to know about this. So, you're coming from an IT professional and you've been on this journey since almost 2 years, and your
Yeah.
mother has also been in this journey since a very long time. So, you coming from a IT background and you faced a lot of health challenges, and your mother faced a lot of health challenges, and both of you have got onto this track, and now it's a celebration time.
Yes.
So, how did you start the journey is what you've already shared. So, before starting a journey or before taking up a call on health, this product, is it natural or is it chemical? How is it going to help? We get a lot of doubts.
Yeah.
So, what kind of doubts did you get, and how did you overcome those and get onto the step?
To be honest, I didn't believe that it could reverse 17 years of asthma. First thing, and also all the attributes of this field rate. I was totally skeptical. I thought, okay, this is end of the day, this is plant based. We do not have any side effects. We have like all the see, if you consider tomato also, it's fertilized right now. That's the honestly, that's the truth. It's going on. So I felt like, okay, this is plant based. Anyhow, we do not have any side effects. Like, don't think it can reverse all the health conditions or that ideal weight and all of that. I was really skeptical. Alongside, I was like attracted also. Okay, this is giving like lot of promises. So that's why I asked my mom to try first. I didn't try it first. She tried it. Then I thought, okay, let's see how much it will give her strength and how much it can work on reversing her health condition. Then once the doctor has said that it has reversed within less than a month, No questions.
17 years of struggle is all vanished with 1 month.
Yes.
Crazy. Okay.
Yes.
So you've been on this journey since 2 years, right?
Yeah.
So seeing you and your mother, a lot of difference and all. Did you recommend to your near and dear friends, relatives, or your colleagues or anyone, or did people come and ask you like I've seen your difference, so I also want to know what is it. So did you recommend to other people? Are they using it and how are they feeling and all?
Yeah, definitely. It's been 2 years, right? So many people in our family, they came up with their problems. They asked like, will this be reversed? Will this be reversed? Like that. So we recommended this product, and many people has achieved their health goals with this. May not be like us for 2 years long, but at least they have used like 3 months, 6 months, and they have reversed their health conditions. They have achieved their health goals. That makes us really, really happy. See, making our life easy and others also easy. That is a really beautiful thing in this. So a few people will be there like you have changed a lot because of something else. So they don't believe in what we are practicing. They feel like, okay, they are just showing that they are practicing this, but alongside they are doing something else is what they will think.
Okay.
Yeah. So whenever we go out with them or we meet them, we have balance before eating whatever, right? So we just have it. So they will be like, they will give us certain looks. Really, they will practice this. They feel like, okay, they are getting results with this only. Okay, they feel like that. After that, we will have everybody will have the same food. Then people will be like, does this really work? So, these kinds of questions and feelings we get. So honestly, that's the only thing we do definitely. So people think about it, and people came, they used, they reached their health goals. That's amazing journey actually.
Seeing you and your mother, there are other people using and they are seeing difference. It's
Yes.
really, it feels really nice
Very
seeing
nice.
it's not only me, it's people around me also
Yeah,
using the same
yeah.
thing. So coming from an IT professional, we think a lot about how are we spending our money. Because we don't know when are we losing jobs, or we don't know when are we getting hikes and all. A lot of savings and what are we spending on and all.
Yeah.
So people think a lot about spending, especially on health products. If you want a bag, you get it. If you want like go have some food in a restaurant, you just go. You want to chill in a pub, you go spend money there. But when they think like I have to buy this health product, like why should I spend on this so much money or this much money, or less, more or less, we get the second questions in our mind. So how did you manage your finances, and how did you take a decision to spend money on this product, and do you recommend others that to spend on this and you have to take it and all? Like cost efficiency is what I wanted to tell about it.
Cost, I think this is moderate range. So I didn't feel like it is very expensive. Given the characteristics of it and the benefits that it is giving, I felt like trying once is not harmful. So I understood the protocol that practice and what it is giving us. I focused mainly on the outcomes of it, and of course the benefits and where it is coming from. How people are planting these leaves, how they are maintaining the product, how they are packaging. Looking at all of that, they are putting a lot of effort in creating these sachets, and they are putting a lot of efforts to reach that product to us. So okay, that is, the process is amazing and the outcomes are tremendous. So I saw a couple of testimonials as well, and I felt like, okay, we will buy whatever we want. See, for example, if you like what do you say, for example, some clothing, okay, you spend like, if you love it, you will definitely spend it.
Yeah.
Right. You will, if you can't make it this month, you will save some amount, you will plan for that. So even for phone nowadays, we spend lakhs of rupees, right? So it is very less amount if you compare with it. So I felt like, why not give it a try? Let's give it a try. What's wrong? Because see, if you want to, maintaining health is a normal thing for everybody. So you buy fruits, you buy dry fruits, you buy like fruits and nuts, seeds, all of this. You will not calculate for that. So you go to gym for 3 months membership or else let's say for 3 months to maintain the minimum health. We will not calculate. We will spend some amount here, some amount here, some amount here, and if you total of that, if you make it, I don't think it is more than this. Yeah, and we are not getting result in there, right?
Yeah.
So that's the main.
There is
point.
no consistency in those practices.
There is a challenge, of course, and the price point also. It is more than what we are paying for Feel Great.
Got it.
So I felt like okay, that's not a big deal actually. So that's how I started. And when I started, when I observed the value, my personal experience, I really don't think it is a costly product or expensive one. It is a moderate amount. It will definitely reduce your other expenses as well.
Got it.
Like snacks, you see.
Yeah.
Coffee, tea, oh my god.
So in
all of
short
that.
word, you would tell that nothing is more than health.
Yeah, definitely not. And for this Feel Great, I think it is not at all an expensive one given the value that it is giving us. It's not an expensive one for sure, because you see, we are just in 20s, right? After 10 years after 20 years, do you have any guarantee like you will not get diabetes or any other lifestyle diseases? Because India is capital of diabetes, right? There is no guarantee. Even if you work out, even if you maintain diets, whatever, it's not guaranteed. With Feel Great, it is guaranteed. So it is giving you amazing peace, right?
Yeah.
Nothing is more you're not paying more. Actually, you are getting more. So that's how I calculated. I felt like okay, that's not a big deal. So I started, and experience wise, and then I felt like it is not at all a big deal.
So Preeti says, just get it. Nothing
Yes.
is more than health.
Yes.
So you've lost 10 kgs, right? So you've
Yeah.
seen 2 years and plus journey. So what is that one thing that you were doing before losing weight and now you can't do it?
Now I can't do it.
Because you're on this journey.
Like the good things or the
Anything, like you're on this journey since 2 years, you've lost 10 kgs. Now there's something that you were doing before it, but because that I'm now on Feel Great protocol, I can't do this, so I'm not doing it. Something like that
Okay.
point that you couldn't do it, you're stopping yourself from doing it.
Okay, so let me be honest here. I am a lazy girl, first thing. Okay, so still I used to put a lot of effort in cycling. I have a spinning bike at home.
Okay.
So I used to put a lot of effort, like 1 hour a day. After coming to Feel Great, first thing I wanted to test it. If I don't work out, even then will it reduce my inches? So I wanted to give it that test that part. So I stopped for a month. I thought just a month.
Okay.
But same like Feel Great. I thought I'll stop for 2 months and then 3 months, and I've never saw the face of the spinning bike at all till now.
Okay.
So I'm not cycling anymore. Once in a while, like I'll go for walk. It's not like see, you can be lazy, you can eat junk. It's not like that. It will give you that flexibility. If you want to do, you can do. Otherwise, also you will not get that much harm or damage, right? So that see, I will definitely give 100 marks to the piece that protocol is giving us in any way. Yeah. So I'm not cycling anymore. I'm not exercising every day. Like I'm not pushing myself. I'm not struggling in there. Yeah.
Here I'm listening to sum up everything. There are no restrictions.
Exactly. Not in any area of your life. Not at all.
Crazy.
Yeah.
It's so nice to see your journey, listen to your journey since like last 2 years, how you have come up from a stressful life to a healthy lifestyle, and you and your mother are vibing in health. And I hope you keep going this way, keep inspiring people, keep telling everyone, recommend everyone on doing this. And
Yes.
it was lovely to have you on the show. Thank you so much.
Thank
To
you,
sum up the
Jackie.
show, here we are to cheers with Unimartin.
Yes.
Cheers.